I understand that lately, you have seen a lot of people on the internet talking about a TikTok creativity program that you can make thousands of dollars per month from TikTok views. Like now, TikTok pays $1 for every 1,000 views. And this is true. You were also interested and your first step was to go to YouTube and search how to activate TikTok creativity program. You clicked on the first video. You have watched the tutorial. After that, you happily went to TikTok. You entered your profile, you clicked on Creator Tools, and here, from the start, something didn't go well. And you see that this TikTok Creator program is not available in your region. Yes, that's sad. Some left it alone, but others, like you, want to make money and change their lives. Try to find solutions for this problem, because they understood that with this program they can make a lot of money. Earlier, you went to YouTube and wrote, how to activate the TikTok creativity program from any country, and found me here, a person in black, with a mask on his head, who tells you these things and tells you that you made the right choice, that you didn't give up, and that you would try to find a solution. Because today I am going to show you a method with which you can activate the TikTok beta creativity program from any country in the world. Well done, you found the solution. Bravo, there are certainly more methods, but I have prepared one that is much easier and cheaper. My name is Tropy, and let's go to the first step. Remove the SIM card from the device. TikTok app can tell what SIM card brand you are using and country code. After that, uninstall the TikTok app from your device. It will help you delete any information you have in the app. The next step is to change the device language to English, and change your region to one of these regions: US, the UK, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, as these are the regions where the TikTok creativity program is available. After you change the region, for example, to the US, restart the phone. After the phone is restarted, if you are using an iPhone, you need to check if your Apple ID UL is from the US. If it is not, create a new Apple ID and choose US as your region. Here you will be asked for a phone number. You can use yours. It doesn't matter which region it is from. And use this new Apple ID on your phone. The next step is to reinstall the TikTok app. After that, we have to create a TikTok account. And here we have two options. The first option is to use a VPN to create an account. If you want a free VPN, I recommend Atlas VPN. If you want the best, use NordVPN. I will leave the link in the description. And I want to advise you that whenever you create a TikTok account, always do it from a phone, never from a computer. If you do this from a computer, it may cause all kinds of problems, and you won't be able to connect to the TikTok creator program. This was the first method to create a TikTok account. Now follows the second method. This method consists of the fact that you have to buy a TikTok US account. Their TikTok accounts are guaranteed to work, or they will reimburse you 100% of the payment. If you are interested in this option, you can find the link that gives you a 20% discount in the description. Now, if you ask me which method is better, the one with a VPN or the one with buying an account, I advise you to purchase an account, because here, it is 100% guaranteed that this account is from the US, and you will be able to join the TikTok creativity program. The next step is to check if the account can join the TikTok creativity program. For this, connect to the account you made or purchased. After that, click on these three bars and click on Creator Tools. And now this page appeared to us, and as we can see here, it is also Creativity Beta Program. And if we click on it, we can see that it is available. We just need to reach 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Now the first thing I recommend to post videos is to interact with this account. Watch videos, let heart, and so on. This you have to do daily for 3 days. This will inform TikTok that you are not a bot. Now that the account is so-called heated, you need to start posting videos. I recommend that you buy a US SIM card. T-Mobile is perfect for this, and it is available on Amazon. Now one important thing, if TikTok asks you for permission to access your contacts, you can track activities from other apps or locations. Don't allow, deny. It is very important that you refuse. After you have accumulated those 10,000 followers and 100,000 views, click Apply. Here, you have to provide identification documents. It doesn't matter what kind of documents and from which region they are. After you have checked the documents, next comes the less pleasant part. Here you have to verify your tax information, so you can withdraw money from TikTok. No stress. I have two solutions for this. The first option is to create an LLC in the US. Many agents offer this service and do this service for $200. But don't worry, because the second option is free. The second option is to simply create your account in the UK or France, because in these regions, the TikTok creativity program is available, and it doesn't require tax information to send you money. All you need to do is watch this video and don't do all the steps in the US region but in the United Kingdom or France. It's nothing special. It's exactly as I showed you in the US. Now we have reached the last step, which is the simplest. Here, we have to put the payment method, which can be your PayPal account. And here it doesn't matter where your PayPal account is from. That doesn't matter. You know this method is fully functional, and you will even be able to activate the TikTok creativity program. But let me show you something that may be more effective for you. If you have a budget of $300,400, you can access this site where you can purchase a TikTok account already with the creativity program activated. What does it mean that you will make money from the first post? You will no longer struggle to collect 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. Even now, on this site, this is the offer that is limited with this type of account only to $200. You can access this site yourself and examine it. I will leave the link in the description. That was all. I showed you how to activate the TikTok beta creativity program from any country in the world. I hope you will thank me for this with a like, with a positive comment, or deny, and you will subscribe to this channel. Yes, and an important thing, on August 24th, this will be next Sunday, I will post a video where art is not how to activate your TikTok creativity program, but how to generate a lot of money with it all from zero. For this, also press the bell button to get a notification. I was with you, Tropy, and I see you next Sunday.